How to uncrop a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon as shown. You can edit the photo using all the options available over here. Tap on Crop at the bottom. You can now crop the photo as you like. After cropping, tap on Done at the top. If you want to undo the crop, then tap on the edit icon below again. Tap on Crop again as well. And then, go to the top and tap on Reset. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. As you can see, you have reverted it to the original photo. Following these steps, you can easily uncrop a photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.